continue this going. G'day everybody, I'm Jason Hay, National Sales Manager for Mimaki Australia. Today, in a COVID-safe environment with Tomitsu Arata-san, the General Manager of Mimaki Australia, we're going to show you the CF22-1225RC reciprocating tool and the creasing tool cutting table from Mimaki Australia. The CF22 comes in a bed size of 1200 by 2500. It has 3 different types of tools. Right now, I'll just go through those 3 tools and the quick application in regards to what each tool does for you. Tool number 1 enables you to have 500 grams of pressure with substrates up to 1 mil thick. Now, those 2 different types of substrates, which I'll show you quickly today, is a kiss cut or a through cut of self-adhesive vinyl stickers, which enables you to obviously do kiss and cut. And that's the application we're just showing you today, up to 1 mil thick. The second application is again creating a box, which is again being printed from a UJF 6042, but the finished product is a nice box application that we can actually sell for short run packaging. Now, for those looking at more industrial, the second tool, which does up to 1500 grams of pressure, enables us to cut thicker substrates up to 4 mil or regardless of maximum 10 mil. What that enables us to do is obviously then cut or crease wider range of substrates. And those substrates can be comfortably 8 mil core flute, 8 mil flute, 8 mil foam board, or just general 3 mil and 5 mil substrates, foam core, foam PVC, and things like that. Here's another quick application. And again, from the CF22, using the second cut mode of the RCS. The third model is up to 5,000 pressure, is the creasing tool. And what that enables you to do here is to obviously have 3 different types of tools, cutting or creasing, which enables us to actually have a crease and cut option on the CF22. With Tomo-san's help today, what we're going to do is come up and show you a final solution in regards to how to create a box with our Finecut software and the CF22. Come and join me. Hello everybody, it's Jason, Tomo-san again here. Just going through the tool configuration of the CF22-1225. As you can see here, this particular model that we're working with is the RCS. Reciprocator, the creasing tool, which enables us to cut or hold 3 different types of tools at once. What I want to show you here is the tools that come standard with the CF22-1225. In obviously tool option A, which we said before, is up to 1 mil thick or 500 grams of pressure, is this particular tool here, up to 4 mil. Anything above 4 mil is option tool T, option tool 2, which goes between 4 and 10 mil of thickness. We then go to the secondary tool, option B, which enables us to do kiss cut or through cut of sticker work, vinyl or synthetic paper, or just generically cutting of papers. Tool C, as you can see here, is the increasing tools of the low pressure and also the high pressure tool, which I'll show you an application later in regards to what these particular tools can do. And obviously the last tool is the 5,000 PSI pressure tool, which enables you to obviously cut substrates up to 10 mil of thickness. What's going to happen now, Tomo-san's going to load these particular tools, show us, and then we'll load the sheet of material for us to cut.
Hello, this is Tomo. I'm showing you how to use tools for CF22-1225. Right, we will start from a B tool here. So B tool, you will choose the less than 4 millimeters thickness or more than 4 millimeters thickness. Obviously, it's a reciprocator. So today we are cutting 3 millimeters of diffrent. So we are cutting this tool into the B head. So make sure your direction is right. And attach the tool into V head. Before that, you need to make sure that the depth of the knife is right. To adjust, loosen the knob and turn the handle lower or higher in order to get the right thickness to the substrate. After that, use the tool, the head swings, came with machine to make it tighten. Done. For the C head, today we are cutting diffrent, so we are using this roller tool. There is no depth adjustment for the roller tool or creasing tool. So you just make sure the direction is right and use a flat screwdriver coming with the machine. And that's it. So we do not need the A tool for Creaseing for today's application. So we will not show you much the tool. So it's ready to go. All right, today I'm showing you how to use Mimaki Finecut 9 software, which is plugin software for Mimaki's cutting plotter to be installed in Adobe Illustrator or Corel Draw. Once you install the software, Finecut 9, please make sure it's open the small window. If it's not showing the window, click Window menu in Adobe Illustrator top menu and click Mimaki Finecut. It's showing small window of Mimaki Finecut. For box and packaging application, once you have flattened data artwork for the box, what you need to do is you need to separate cutting layer and creasing layer as different color. So for the artwork today, I'm showing red part as cutting with tangential knife on the second head. For creasing layer, I'm showing with green color for creasing head. So once the artwork is prepared, you need to start Finecut 9 software operation. So the first, you need to make sure the connection with cutting plotter. So click the menu button on Finecut 9 and make sure CF22-1225 is selected. And the communication port is opened and machine is detected. Once you verify those settings, click OK to confirm. For the cutting output, select the left menu for the cutting output. When you get a warning message, click OK. So it's now showing the box flattened data before sending to a cutting plotter CF22. First, you need to select the tool mode for both colors. Green color for creasing and red color for cutting. So click the little triangle menu and select specifying the tool on each color. You need to preset on the cutting plotter CF22 machine for what tool and setting to allocate the cut setting from 1 to 6. So this time, we set the plotter, the tool for creasing, and one for cutting. So once the cutting condition for each color is confirmed, click plot button and click plot to output the data.
How again, everybody? Jason A. After setting up the cutting tools by Tomitsu Harada-san, now we obviously want to print the cutting box. What I wanted to do first is obviously just show you that the CF22 has 4 different vacuum areas. Those vacuum areas are currently on. All right, so we can actually set it up so only half the bed, if it's only using a substrate that's 1200 by 1200, we can obviously just have the first 2 on and the second 2 off. What that'll enable you to do is obviously give you more pressure per square meter to enable you to hold that particular substrate down. Okay. What I'll do now is I'll hit remote. We currently have this CF2 set up. The vacuum will automatically turn on once we've hit the remote key. Now that can be set up in the software, regardless of the actual application that you're trying to do. Today we're actually going to show you that application. Enjoy. I'm back. So after 2.5 minutes, what you'll find is that you'll have a perfectly cut box cut out. So can't reach over to the other side of this. You'll have a perfectly cut box out, which will enable you to finish off the final product from the JFX200EX and create your packaging tools for you and your business. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining Tomitsu Harada-san, our General Manager of Mimaki Australia. We'll see you next week.